If 0 is divided by 0, then what will be the answer? Or 0 by 0 will be what? For knowing the answer of this problem, we start from the preceding by the generalization. As 0 is divided by 3, it means 0 is divided into 3 equal parts. 0 plus 0 plus 0 by 3, and the value of the each part is the answer, that is 0. Similarly, 0 by 2, it means 0 is divided into 2 equal parts, that is 0 plus 0 by 2, and the answer will be the value of each equal part, that is 0. And 0 is divided by 1. It means 0 is divided into 1 equal part, that is 0 itself, or 0 is divided into 1 equal part as 0 by 1. Hence, the answer will be 0, which is value of the each equal part, that is 0 itself. Hence, we reach the original question, that is 0 by 0 will be what? Or 0 is divided into 0 equal parts, or 0 is divided into 0 equal part, which is not possible, because if we write something here, that is contradiction. 0 is divided into 0 equal parts. If we write 0, then this is the contradiction, because in the preceding term we have already done this. 0 is divided into 0 parts. 0 is divided into no parts. If 0 is divided into no parts, then if we write something here, that will be the contradiction of 0 is divided into no parts. Then we can not write here any number or any digit or any particular system of the operation. Hence, 0 is divided by 0 is not defined by number theoretic principle as well as any mathematical principle. Hence, anytime this question is raised, that is 0 by 0 is what, then answer will be not defined. Someone writes the answer of this question as infinite, which is not correct, because infinite is defined mathematically by the Cantor principle, but 0 is divided by 0 is under not defined category. Therefore, there is no any definition is possible for 0 by 0, because 0 cannot be written equally as 0 parts, because some part is written, then that is the contradiction. Hence, 0 by 0 or 0 is divided by 0 is always not defined. Thank you.